Hi guys, on today's lesson we'll be talking on a very critical subject matter as the gasoline generator. Well, we'll be learning how to change and fix your generator spark plug all by yourself. You see, many a times our generator goes off all by itself and refuses to come on. What do we do in such instance? In such instance, in my opinion, the very first thing advisable to do is to check your plug and see if it brings sparks, or if it has carbon deposit, or if it has cracks. Well, on today's class, we'll know how to physically examine a spark plug and how to change it. But please, if you are still not subscribed to this channel, please do like and share. Also turn on notifications so you are notified anytime a new video is uploaded. You will want to be left behind if a new video is uploaded, would you? Well, we'll be losing the plug for this particular generator. It is popularly called a 1900 generator in this part of the world. And guess what? We'll be doing this in phases, because this generator is just about one generator that has the plug hidden, unlike its bigger counterpart where you are certain you'll be able to lose the plug easily, or the smaller generator, the one called I Better Pass My Neighbor, where you don't need to stress yourself. All you need to do is just lose the plug and the plug is out. And for that reason, we'll be working on this in phases. The first phase will be losing and fixing the plug without losing this tank. Since it is enclosed, ordinarily we want to lose the tank so we have more space to lose the plug. But we'll be doing this without losing the tank rather. And the next phase, which is the second phase, will be losing and fixing the plug after losing the tank. For that phase, we'll have to lose the tank first, then we fix the plug. Alright, shall we? Okay, we understand this generator's plug is not working. We understand that. And let's just confirm to you so you know ordinarily this gen has not been starting or is not starting. So this is it. Okay, it starts and goes off. According to the person, he said it doesn't start at all. And now right now we just discovered it starts and goes off. Most likely it's the plug, and we'll have to see why it is the plug, and we'll have to we'll have to replace it. All right. This is the plug spanner I'll be using for this because it's easier. This particular plug spanner is easier to go in. This is it. You see this plug? This plug is as good as dead. Originally, this anode, okay, for those that don't know, okay, let me not use technical terms. Originally, this part of this plug is not supposed to come up to this edge. You see when I lose it just now, okay, let me tap it back so you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, see what happened when I lose it. When I lose the plug just now, I noticed this part is touching this other part. Originally, it's not supposed to happen. It's not possible. If this happened, then it surely means this plug is not 100% perfect, and as such, there's need to change it. So let me bring a new plug so you get better what I'm trying to explain. Okay, this is a new spark plug. This plug is, okay, the brand name is Magnet. It's a new spark plug. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Why this one touches this other part, this one remains firm to this part. Are you getting me? So you see, there is need to change this. This will definitely malfunction. So that said, let's fix the plug back. There are ways you can fix the plug. You can decide to insert it in first, then you add the plug spanner to the top, then rotate in the clockwise direction. Clockwise is usually to tight, anti-clockwise is to loose. Okay, see, this is the clockwise direction. Was successfully fixed the plug, and we've installed as well this black part of it. It's called the plug cap. We've installed the plug cap. All right, let's see if the gen is going to come on one starting. See, the gen comes on once. Alright, you see now we successfully changed this bad plug and installed a new one. That is for phase 1. For phase 2, not everybody will be able to change a plug directly from here. Some may have a longer plug spanner and it will be difficult to insert it into this place. What do we do? In that case, it is advisable you lose the tank. You take off the tank so you have enough space to work. Don't forget, when you lose your bolts, keep them safe. Keep them safe. It won't be a good idea when you start looking for your bolt as you try to couple. It's not a good idea whatsoever. Okay. Take off the fuel hose. This is the fuel hose. Alright. Take off the fuel hose. You see, we have enough space to lose the plug. Well, this is the plug I fixed earlier, but I'll just lose it for those that may necessarily didn't understand what I explained the first time. The first time, instead of the first phase, I tried using this little space to fix and lose this plug. But this time around, I have good amount of space. I can decide to use this plug spanner. I can decide to use this plug spanner. For this part, this plug spanner will certainly not be able to lose it. But from looking from this face, this entire space will allow this particular plug spanner to lose this plug. So let me use this plug spanner. Okay, successfully loosed it. Let's fix it back. See, I have a whole lot of space to do this. So if you prefer the other part, which I think in my opinion is less time consuming, or you prefer this because you have good space, it's all left for you. But the most important thing is this. The plug will definitely be fixed. All right, we'll fix the plug. What next? We fix back the tank. All right, after fixing, let's try to start. You see, regardless of any method we use, any style we use, any face we use, we have succeeded in losing and changing the plug. All right, if you enjoy these classes, please do well to subscribe, do well to turn on the notification bell so you will receive notification when a new video is posted. Do well to like, do well to share, and do well to give us feedback via the comment section. Tell us what you want us to do in the next video. Just speak your mind out and we'll definitely attend to them. From my end, it is goodbye. We'll meet in the next class.